right here. 3-point male fork, is that right?
Yeah.
All right, right here. Take it again. Bond, even to get 500. I'm a 500 on the bid to get 500. Even to get 500 bid. I'm a 500 on the bid to get 200. I'm a 200 on the bid to get 25.50. I'm a 20 bonded. Even to get 50 down the bid to get 20 bonded. Even to get 25. 10, 20. I'm a $10 now. 20 now. 30. I'm a 30 down the bid to get 40 down the bid to get 40 now. 40. I'm a 40 down the bid to get 50 down the bid to get 75 and 100. I'm a 100 down the bid to get 185. I'm a 75, 85, 80 bonded. Even to get 85. I'm a bid to get 75, 85. I'm at an 85, 100. I'm at a 100 on the bid to get 85, 1. I'm at an 85, 1. 1 to bid. I'm at an 85, 80 bid to get 100. I'm at an 85, 1. 1 to bid and a quarter. I'm at a 100 and a quarter. I'm at a 125, 80 bid to get 25. I'm at a 180 bid to get 25 now. 50, 150. I'm at 125, 150. 50 to bid. I'm at a 125, 80 bid to get 50. I'm at a 125, 50. I'm at 125, 50. 125, 80 bid to get 50 down to bid to get 150. 150. Sold it $125 on the net. 125, 480, 907. 480, 907. All right, now we're on a McCurdy wagon. Buying a McCurdy wagon right here. Gravity bed and got the running gear and all. Somebody get $1,000. How much time did he get $100? Now 2. How about 100? How did he get 2? 3. Now 4. How about 4? 5. 500. How did he get 600? How did he get 700? How did he get 8? 9. I'm $1,000. How much time did he get $1,000 to bid? I'm a 900. How did he get $1,000? Did he get $1,000? I'm a $1,000 to bid. I'm a 900. How did he get $1,000? Did he get 9.5? I'm a 950. I'm a 900 and a half a dollar. Did he get 9? Did he get 9.5? Sold it $900. 900 out. 275. 275 to buyer. 275. 2521. We got a Mahindra 5500 two-wheel drive diesel. Power shift, runs and operates. Now here's your ticket, Doug. Right here. Ticket again. The bottom next to 9 there. Give it there. Did even get now? Somebody get 10,000. I'm a 10 down. Did even get 10. 10 to bid. I'm a 10 down. Did even get 5,000. I'm a 5 down. Did even get 5. 5 to bid. I'm a 5 down. Did even get 5. Give 1,000. 15. I'm a down. Did even get 15. I'm a down. Did even get 1,500. I'm a down. Did even get 15. I'm a down. Did even get 15. I'm a 1,500. Out of it to get down 2. I'm a 2 down. Did even get 2. I'm a 15. 2 to bid. I'm a 2 down. Did even get 2. 2 to bid. I'm a 2 down. Did even get 2. And the middle of it to get 15. 2. I'm a 15. Now 2. 2 to bid. I'm a 17 and a half. I'm a 15. 6. 16. 17. I'm a 17. Hell, I'm a 17. I'm a 17. Did even get 18. Tyler now. Did even get 19. Did even get now 2. I'm a 2 down. Did even get 2. 2 to bid. I'm a 2 down. Did even get 2. 2 to bid. I'm a 2 down. Did even get 2. And the middle of it to get 19. 2. I'm a 2 down. Did even get 2. 2 to bid. I'm a 1900 on the get 2,000. I'm a 1900 on the get 2 down. Did even get 2. 2 to bid. I'm a 21. I'm a 21. I'm a 21. 1 to bid. I'm a 2 down. Did even get 21. I'm a 2 down. Did even get 21. All in, all done. I'm a 21. Internet, you want to do it? I'm a 2 down. Did even get 21. I'm a 2 down. Did even get 21. I'm a 2 down. Did even get 21. I'm a 21. 1 to bid. Sold it $2,000. You got her bought $2,000.
252.
252 the buyer. 252. 252. Now we're turning the page.
Afterthought.
All right here, 4-foot, 3-point bush hog. Gearbox spins, hand seems to be good. $100 too. Have it a 100 out of it to get 2 to bid. Have it a 100 and a quarter half. Have it a 1 quarter, even to get 1, even to get 1 and a half. Have it a 125, even to get 150. Have it a 125, 50, 150, 75 now 2 to bid. Have it a 200, even to get 200. I got a 175 and now 2 to bid. Have it a 200, even to get 2. Internet now 2 and a quarter. I'm a 200 and a quarter. Have it a 225, even to get 25. I'm a 200 even to get 25. I'm a 225. I'm a 225. Thank you now. Half. I'm a 2 and a half. Even to get 225 to 50. I'm a 225 to 50. I'm a 250. 50 down to get 75. I'm a 275 and 5 to bid. I'm a 275 and even to do it. I'm a 250. 275 and even to get 275. I'm a 275 and even to do it. Camo. I'm a 275. I'm a 250. 275 and all in and all done. I'm a 250. 275 and even to do 75 and even to do it. Sold it $250 on the internet. 86679. 86679. All right, 1920s at Glencoe, 9-shank Dick's chisel. All right here, and somebody get 5,000. How about if I found it even to get $1,000? 12 and a half. I'm a found it even to get 12, 12 and a half. I'm a found it even to get 12, 12 and a half. I'm a found it even to get 12, 12, 50. I'm a found it even to get 12 and a half, 15. I'm a 15, 1500. I'm even to get 15. I'm a 15 now 2. I'm a 2 down, that even to get 2 to bid. I'm a 2 down, that even to get 22 and a half. You good? 100 now, 22. Did even to get 2 down, that even to get 22 and a half. I'm a 22, 2 and a half. I'm a 2 down, 21, 22, 2 to bid. I'm a $1 too. I'm a 21, 22, 2 to bid. I'm a $1 now 2 and even to do it. I'm a 21, 22, 2 to bid. I'm a 22. I'm a $1 now 2 to bid. I'm a 21, 22, 2 to bid. I'm a $1 now 2. Internet, you gotta be 2100, 22. Can you click up? I'm a 21, 22, 2 to bid. bid, have it on one, now 2 to bid, have it on one, did even to get 2, where? Have it on one, 22, thank you, have it on one, and now 2, internet, even to get 22, see, now 4, I'm a 24, 4 to bid, have it on 4, even to get 5, now 5, I'm a 25, did even to get 5, 5 to bid, Doug, you're out, I'm a 25, have it on 4, and 25, have it on 4, 25, have it on 4, 25, 26, 27, I'm a 27, 7 to bid, I'm a 28, have it at 800, I'm going to get 8, 8 to 9, I'm a 29, even to get 3, I'm a 3 down, I'm going to get 3, 3 to bid, 31, I'm a 3 down, I'm going to get 31, I'm a 31, it's a nice chisel, they said, I'm a 31, I'm a 3 down, I'm going to get 31, I'm a 31, even to get 32, I'm at $1 2, I'm a 31, 32, 2 to bid, I'm at $1 now 2, and do you want to do it, I'm at $1 now 2, I'm a 31, 32, 2 to bid, I'm at $1 2, 3, I'm a 33, do you want to get 3, do you want to get 3, do you want to get 3, where? I'm a 32, 33, 3 to bid, I'm going to do down, I'm going to get 3, do you want to get 3, do you want to get 3, that white box down there, can you get it for me? I'm a 32, 33, I'm a 32, and 3, and 3 to bid, I'm going to do down, I'm going to get 3, in the middle, I'm going to get 32, 3, I'm a 3200, I'm going to get 3, thank you, I'm a 3200, I'm going to get 3, 3 to bid, I'm a 32, and do you want to get 3, do you want to get 3, where? I'm a 3200, I'm going to get 3, 3 to bid, sold the disc chisel, $3,200, sold it for $3,200, 111705, 31705, 111705. All right, next up now. Take it again to find the next one here. Next up, oh my, to give it there. Now take it again. They got a believed to be a Ferguson 2-bottom plow, 3-point, missing 1 cutter. That's good. Oh my, to give it there. Now take it again. Somebody get 500. How about a 500? I'm going to get 5. Get $500 too. How about a 100? I'm going to get 2 to bid. How about a 100? I'm going to get 1, 1 and a half. How about a 100 and a half? How about a 100 now? 50. Anybody want to get 50? 50 to bid. How about a 50 down? I'm going to get 50. 50 now. Do you want to do it? I'm a $50 now. 75, I'm at $50 now, 75, I'm at $50 now, 75, and D-man to get 75, I'm at $50, 75, I'm at 75, and 100, I'm at 100, I'm going to get 1 to bid, I'm at 100, I'm going to get 1, D-man to do it, I'm at 75, 85, would that help you, camo, 85 and 100, I'm at 85, 1, I'm at 85, 1 to bid, I got 85 now, 100, I'm going to get the internet, I got 80, 100, I've already got 85 on the floor, 100, now 10, going, thank you, I'm at 110, 10 to bid, I'm at 100, I'm going to get 110, I'm at 100, I'm going to get 110, camo, you want to get 110? How about a 100? I'm going to get 110. How about a 100? I'm going to get 110. How about a 110? Did you get 10? Did you get 10? Did you get $110? Do you want to do it? Sold it for $100 on the internet. 440440. All right, $100 and a quarter. How about a 100? I'm going to get 125. How about a 100? I'm going to get 1 and a quarter. How about a 100 and a quarter? How about a 150? Doug, 150. How about 150 down? I'm going to get 1. You want to get 50 down? I'm going to get 125, 150. How about $150? How about a 125, 150? How about 125, 135, 150? How about a 150, 175? How about a 150, 175 and 60? Do you want to do that? How about a $160, 75? How about a 175? How about a 175? And do you want to do it? How about a 160, 175? And do you want to do 175? How about about 2 to bid? How about a 200? I'm going to get 2 now quarter. How about a 200 and a quarter? How about 200 and a quarter? How about a 25? Did you get 25? How about a 200 and a quarter? How about a 200 and a quarter? Sold it $200. 275 the buyer, right? 275. Next up is a King Cutter 3-point blade. Here's your ticket, Doug. All right, right here on this one, on a blade right here. Take it again, about it, even to get 500. I'm at 500, give 100. I'm at 100, I'm going to get 50. I'm at 75 at 100. I'm at 100 and a quarter half. I'm at 175 right behind you. How now? 2 to bid. I'm at 200, I'm going to get 2. I'm at 200, I'm going to get 2. 225. I'm at 200, I'm going to get 2. 225. I'm at 200, I'm going to get 2. 225. I'm at 200, I'm going to get 25. And partner, do you want to get 225? I'm at 200, I'm going to get 225. I'm at 225. Did you get 25? I'm at 225. Did you get 25? I'm at 200, I'm going to get 25. I'm at 200, I'm going to get 25. I'm at 200, I'm going to get 25. And do you want to do it? 210. $200. Sold it. $200. 240 the bid number, 240. All right, tractor supply category 2, 3-point your quick hitch. Come and get your ticket, foreman. All right, right here. Take it again. Find it next to night there. Did you get now? Find it there. Oh my, 2739 right here. Take it again. Find it. Did you get now? On a quick hitch. How about 100 and a quarter? How about a 100 and a quarter? How about a 100? How about a 125? How about a 100? How about a 25? How about a 1 and a quarter? How about a 100 and a quarter? How about a 125? Find a bid. How about a 125? 50? How about a 150? 25.50. Do you want to get 25.50? How about 150? 50 to bid. And do you want to do it? How about 150? 125, 150 down to bid to get 50 now. 75. How about 175? And do you want to do 2 and a quarter? How about to do 100 and a quarter? How about to do 100 and a quarter now? 225. I'm a 200 out of it to get 225. I'm a 200 out of it to get 225. I'm a 200 out of it to get 225. All in and all done. Anybody else? Sold it. $200. Bid number is today. $200 and the bid number is today. $200. 503. 503. That's good. Dearborn 2-point stiff shank cultivator. $1,000. I'm a pound to get pound to bid. I'm a pound to get pound to get 500. I'm at the $100 now 2 to bid. I'm at the 100 out of it to get 2. Do you want to get 200 out of it to get 1 2? I'm at the 100 out of it to get 2 to bid. I'm at the 1.5 now 1.5 now 2 to bid. I'm at the 1.5 and now 2. I'm at the 1.5 and now 2 to bid. I'm at the 200 out of it to get 175. I'm at the 150 175. Thank you 2 and a quarter. I'm a 200 and a quarter. I'm at the 225. Did you get 225? I'm a 225 50. I'm a $250.75. I'm a 275. I'm a 75 and do you want to get 3 to bid. I'm a 275 and do you want to get 3? Did you get 300 and a quarter? I'm a 300 and a quarter now half. I'm a 3.5. Did you get 3? Do you want to get 3.5? I'm going to get 3.5. 3 and a quarter. 3.5. I'm a 3 and a quarter. Do you want to get 3? 3.5. I'm a 3 and a quarter. Do you want to get 3.5? Do you want to get 3 and a quarter? Do you want to get 3.5? I'm going to get 350. I'm a 3 and a quarter. Do you want to get 3? 3.5. I'm a 3.5 and do you want to get 350? $350. Do you want to do? Did you want to get 350? Sold it. 3 and a quarter. 268 the buyer. 268 is your buyer. All right, 2018 right here. You got a John Deere 8300 drill with the cultipacker. All right, $1,000, 12.5. I'm a pound. Did you want to get 12? 12.50. I'm a pound. Did you want to get 12? 12.5. I'm a 12.5. Did you want to get 15? Do you want to do it? 12.5. I'm a 1,200. Did you get $1,000? Good. 12.5. Did you want to get 15? 17.5 and 2. Do you want to do it? I'm a 2,000. Did you want to get 2? I'm a 17.5 and now. Do you want to get 2? Do you want to get 2? Do you want to get 2? Do you want to get now? Do you want to do it? I'm a 15, 17.5. I'm at 1,500. I'm going to get 17.5. 15, 17.5. I'm at $1,500. 17.5. I got 1,500 on the internet. 15, 17. Thank you. 1,500. 17.5. I'm at 1,500. I'm going to get 16. I'm at 15, 16. I'm at 1,500. I'm going to get $1,600. I'm at 1,500. I'm going to get. Doug, do you want back in? $1,600. I'm at 15, 16. I'm at 1,600. I'm going to get 15, 1,600. I'm going to get 16 in the middle of the bone in. I'm at 15, 16. I'm at 15, 16. Anybody want to get 1,600? I'm going to get 15. Do you want to get 16? $1,500. Sold it on the internet. 417 469. All right here. Now we got a land price, 3.8 foot greater by. Oh my, take it there, 500. How about a 500? I'm going to get 500 bid, 550. I'm going to get $100 and a quarter. How about a 100 and a quarter, half 75. How about a 175, 2, 2.5. How about a 2.5 and 3, 3.5. I'm a 3.5, 4, 4.5. How about a 400? I'm going to get 5, 500. I'm going to get 580. I'm going to get 500. I'm at 500, 100. Get your guy, 500. I'm going to get 500. I'm going to get 4.5, 5. How about a 500? I'm going to get 500 bid. I'm at 4.5 and now 5, 500. I'm going to get 500. I'm going to get 500. I'm going to get 5 and even to do it. All 5 now. 475, 500. Never thought of it. 5 and a quarter. 5 and a quarter didn't work. 500 and a quarter. How about a 500 and a quarter? Now even to get 5, 5 and a quarter. I'm at 500 and a quarter. How about a 500 and a quarter? Now even to get 25. I'm going to get 5, 5 and a quarter. Even to get 500 and a quarter. Sold it. $500. Number 208. 208. All right, now we got a John Deere category 2 and 3 quick hitch. All right, here's his ticket. Don't even get now find the next one out there. Here's his ticket. Oh my, 200 and a quarter half. I'm at a 1.5, 75, 2 to bid. I'm gonna do 100. I'm gonna get 200. I'm at a 175 and now 2 to bid. I'm gonna do 100. I'm gonna get 2. Do you want to get 200? I'm gonna get now a quarter. I'm at 200 and a quarter. I'm gonna do 100 and a quarter. I'm gonna do 25. Did you want to get 25? I'm gonna get 2, 2 and a quarter. I'm at 200 and a quarter. I'm gonna do 25. Did you want to get 2, 2 and a quarter? Internet. You want to get 2.5, 75. Did you want to get 2.5? I'm a 2 and a quarter, 2.5. I'm gonna do 25. Got you now. 2.5. I'm gonna do 1.5. 225, 250. I'm a 225, 250. I'm a 225 and 50 down. I'm gonna get 2. Do you want to get 50 in the middle? I'm gonna get 25, 50. Sold it. 225. Bid number is today.
179.
179 the buyer. 179. That's good right there, truck driver. All right here. Ticket again to find an extra 9 here. Here's the ticket to coming. All right here. Got a nice B275 International tractor.
Drove it in here.
Drove it in. You got to pull it to start it. They drove it in, but you got to pull it to start it. All right, 500 on it, 600 on it, 500 on it, 600 on it, 780, now, do you want to do it? I'm at 600 on it, 7 now. Wait, 800 on it, 880, 800 on it, 800 on it, 7, 8. I'm at 800 on it, 8, 8 to bid. I'm at 780, 800 on it, 80, 800 on it, 900 on it, 900. Thank you. I'm at 800 on it, 900 to bid. Internet, 900 on it, 8. Now 9. I'm at 900 on it, 80, 900 on it, 89. I'm at 800 on it, 900 bid. $1,000. I'm at $1,000. How? I need your help over here somewhere. $1,000, $1,000. I'm at $1,000, $1,000 to bid. I'm at $1,000, $1,000, $900 on it, $1,000. I'm at $1,000, $1,000. I'm at $1,000 to bid. I'm at $1,000, $900. Is that where you're at? Okay, $900,000. You got him. Is that where you're at? $1,000. I'm at $1,000 to bid. I'm at $1,000, $1,000. I'm at $1,000, $1,000. I'm at $900 on the one to bid. I'm at $900 on the $1,000. Sold it $900. Get his number for me. I need your number.
217.
What is it?
217.
217, a buyer. 217. All right, now we got a 10-core 3.540 PTO generator. Works good per seller. Oh my, to give it there now. Somebody get $1,000, $200 on it, get $300 on it, get $400 on it, get $3,400. I'm at $300 on it, get $440 to bid. I'm at $400 on it, get $40, get $3,400. I'm at $300 on it, get $400 on it, get $400. I'm at $300 on it, get $440 to bid. 3.5. I'm at $300 on it, get $3.5 on it, get $3,350. I'm at 3.5. You got a 300 on the bid, 3, and I'm with you at 300 if you're okay. I'm at 3, 3.5 now, 4 to bid. I'm at 3.5 and now 4 to bid. I'm at 400 on the bid, 40, 400. I'm at 3.5, 4, 4.5. You get 40, 4.5. I'm 400 on the internet. Got to be 4.5. I'm at a board 4.5. I'm at 40, 4.5, 4.5. I'm at a board 4.5, 5. I'm at 500 on the bid, 5 to bid. I'm at 500 on the bid, 500 on the bid, 4.5, and now 500 on the bid, 5, 5.5. I'm at a buy 550. I'm at 5.5. I'm at a buy 500 and a half a dollar. I'm at a buy 5.5 and even to get 550. I'm at 500 and a half. I'm at a buy even to get 5.5 and even to get 550. 500 on even to get 5 even to get 5.5 and even to get 5 even to get 5.5 and even to get 550. All in and all done. Sold it. $500. Bidder 324. 438, 324, 438. All right, right here. Take it again. About the next tonight here. Here we go there. Then even to get out. What do we got? International disc. International 8-foot wheel disc. That's good. Box bearings. Good blades. Oh my, to give it there now. Somebody gets $100 now. 2. I'm at a 100 on the bid to 2. 2 to bid. I'm at a 100 on the bid to 2 and the bid to 200. Now 3. I'm at 2 and now 3. 3 to bid. I'm at a 200 on the bid to 3. 4. 4 to bid. 4, 5. I'm at a 500 on the bid to 5. Even to get 500. Now 600. I'm at $600 now. 7. 7 to bid. I'm at 700 on the bid to get 7. Even to get 80. Even to get 800 on the bid to get 80. Even to get 80. Even to get 7.5. 8. I'm at an 800 on the bid to get 8. 8 to bid. I'm at 7.5. 8 now 9. I'm at 900 on the bid to get 9. Even to get 8.5. I'm at an 800 and a half. I'm at an 80. Even to get 8.5. Even to get 80. Even to get 8.5. Even to get 850. I'm at an 800 and a half. I'm at an 80. Even to get 8.5. Even to get 80. Even to get 8.5. Even to get 850. I'm at an 800 and a half a dollar. Even to get 850. I'm at an 800 and a half. I'm at an 80. Even to get 80. Even to get 8.5. Even to get 8.5. Now 9. I'm at 900. Even to get 90. Even to get 900. I'm at a 900 bid. Internet. Even to get 900. Even to get 900. Even to get 8.5. And now 9. I'm at 900. Even to get 90. Even to get 900. Even to get 8.5. And now 9. I'm at a 900. I'm at a 9. 875. Even to get 875. And even to do it. I'm at an 850. 875 all in. All done. I'm at an 850. 875. And even to do her. $850. Sold it. Sold. All right, right here. Take it again. About the next tonight here. 2160, got a 60-inch Howard tiller, works good, has new teeth. Oh my, to give it there. 203, how about a 200 on the get 3, 3 to bid. How about a 200 on the get 3, 2.5, 3, 3.5. I'm a 3, 3.5. I'm a 3 demon to get 3.5. I'm a demon to get 3 demon to get 3.5. 4, 4 to bid. I'm at a 4 demon to get 4 now half. I'm at a 4 demon to get 400. I'm at a 4.5, 5, 500 on the get 4.5, 5. I'm at a 500 on the get 5. Yes sir. I'm at 4.5 and now 5. Find a bid. See if I do it again. I'm at a bond demon to get 4.5, 5. I'm at a 500 and a half now. One more time. I'm at a bond demon to get 5 and a half. Demon to get 5. Demon to get 5 and a half. $600. Try it again. I'm at $600 and go again. I'm at $600 on the get 600 on the get now half now 7 to bid. Demon to get 7. Demon to get 700. I'm at 7 and a half. I'm at 7 700. Demon to get 7 700. Demon to get 7 and a half. Demon to get 7 and a half. I'm at 700 and a half. I'm at 7 7 half. 7 half. Is he all done? 7 7 half. I'm at 700 and a half. I'm at 7 700. Demon to get 7. Demon to get 7 and a half. Demon to get 7. Demon to get 7 and a half. So Sold it, $700.
179.
179 to buyer, 179. 1142 is a John Deere running gear with a 550-gallon tank. Boom, to give it there. Here's the ticket. Now take it again. Somebody get $3 grand. I'm about 200, 300, 400, 5. I'm at 500. I'm at $600, 7, 8. I'm at 800. I'm at 900. I'm at 8, 9. I'm at 800. I'm at 900 to bid. I'm at 800. I'm at 900. I'm at $1,000. I'm at pound. You get pound to bid. I'm a pound. You get pound to bid. I'm a pound. You get pound. You get pound. You get pound. You get $1,000. I'm a pound. You get $1,000. I'm a 900 on the bid, one pound to bid. I'm a pound, you bid, pound, you bid, pound, you bid, 900 on the bid, $1,000. I'm a 1 pound, you bid, 1,000 wire. I'm a 900 on the bid, pound to bid. I'm a 900 on the bid, pound, you bid, pound, you bid, pound, you bid, pound, you bid, $9.5, $1,000 now half. I'm a 1,000 and a half. I'm a pound, you bid, 1,000 half, you bid, pound, you bid, 1,000 and a half, and you bid, 1,050. I'm a pound and a half. I'm a pound, you bid, 1,000 half, you bid, pound, you bid, 1,000 and a half. I'm a pound, you bid, 1,000 and a half, $1 even to do it. I'm a pound, you bid, pound and a half. I'm a pound, you bid, pound, you bid, 1,000 and a half, and a bit of a pound, you bid, 1,000 and a half, and a bit of a bone in, 1,050. Anybody else? Sold it for $1,000. 268 the buyer. 268. Right here. 2720 right here. Boom, look at there. Speedco. We got a Speedco grader blade, 7 foot. Boom, look at there. Now somebody get 500. How about the 500? Other bit to get 5. That's good. How about the 500? Other bit to get $500 too. How about the 100? Other bit to get 2 to bid. 1.5. How about the 100? Did he get 150? Did he say it 100 and a half? How about the 100 and a quarter? How about the 1 and a quarter? 1 and a quarter? 1 and a half? 1 and a half? 175. How about the 175 here? How about the 175? How about the 150? 175 and do you want to do it? How about the 150? 175 you want in there, Chico? 175. How about the 150? 175. I got you with 150 right here. Hey, I'm right there. 100. I'm right there at 150. 175. How about the 175? I'd like to get Chico at 175. How about the 175 and now 2? I'm a 200 on to get 2 to bid. How about the 175 and now 2 to bid. Internet, do you want to do it? How about the 175 and 2 to bid? And do you want to do it? 175 2. Sold it. $175.
240.
240 the buyer. 240 the buyer. IH International 470 disc right here. Oh, my, to give it there. Now somebody get 500, 600 on it, get 5, even to get 600. I'm at 500 on it, get 600 on it, get 7, anybody get 700 on it, get 7, anybody get 800 on it, get 8, now 8, 9. I'm a 900 on it, get 9, 9 to bid. I'm a 900 on it, get $1,000. I'm a pound, anybody get pound, anybody get pound, anybody get 1,100. I'm 11 now, 11 to bid. I'm a pound, anybody get 1,100. Now 12. I'm 11, anybody get 12, anybody get 12, anybody get 12. 13, 14. I'm at 14, 15. I'm at 14. Do you want to get 50? Do you want to get 14? I'm at 13, 14, 14, 15. Do you want to do it? I'm at 14. Do you want to get now 1,400? I'm at 14, 1,400. I'm at 13, 1,400. I'm at 13, 14. I'm at 1,400. I'm at 13, 14. I'm at 1,400. I'm at 13, 14. Do you want to do it? I'm at 13, 14. I'm at 1,400. He is out. I am up here, $1,300. He has to be 14. He keeps looking up at me like I'm at 13, 14. I'm at 1,300. I'm at 1,400. I'm at 14. Sold it on the internet, $1,300. 337, 766. 337, 766. All right, that's good right there. 2 rows set stiff shank cultivators. Oh my, to give it there now. Take it again. About an Nixon out here. Here we get there. Did you get now? About another bit to get now. 2, 2.5. I'm a 200 and a half. I'm a 200 out of it to get 2, 250. I'm a 200 out of it to get 100, 100 and a quarter. I'm at a 100 and a quarter. I'm at a bond. Did you get 1, 1 and a quarter, 1 and a half. I'm at a bond. Did you get 175. I'm at a bond 50, 175. I'm at a 175, 2, 2 and a quarter. I'm at a 200 and a quarter. I'm at a 200 out of it to get 25. I'm at a bit of ball in. I'm a 200 out of it to get 2, 2 and a quarter. I'm a 200 out of it to get 2, 225. I'm a 200 out of it to get 2, 225. Sold it, $200, $289 the buyer, $289 the buyer. All right here, 1509 Pequot 5606 header cart with extendable tongue. Now take it again to find an Nixonite here. Oh my, take it down. That's good. Now take it again to find an Nixonite here. Here we get there. Did you get $1,000? I'm a down. Did you get $1,000? $100 now 2 to bid. I'm at 100 out of it to get 2, 3, 300 out of it to get 400 out of it to get 500 out of it to get 500, 600. I'm at 600 out of it to get 6, 600 out of it to get 5 now 7 to bid 7, 8. Did you get 800 out of it to get 8, 9? I'm at a 900. pound of it to get 9 to bid. How about a 900 of it to get pound and even to get $1,000. How about pound and even to get pound and even to get $1,000. How about pound and even to get pound to bid. How about pound and even to get 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 $9,500. I'm a 9.5 and now one to bid. I'm a pound and even to get pound and even to get $1,000. I'm in the blue coat right here. $9,500. I'm a 9.5 one to bid. I'm a 9.5 and even to get pound and even to get $9,500. Thank you. Now 11. I'm a pound and even to get 11 to bid. 1,500. You want to do that? 1,050. I'm a pound and even to get pound 50. I'm a pound and even to get pound and even to get 1,050. I'm a 1,000 and even to get 1,050. Do you want to do it? I'm a 1,000 and even to get 1,050. I'm a pound and even to get $1,050. Do you want to do it? Sold it. $1,000. 180, 166 on the internet. 180, 166. Now we're up to a JD 2020 tractor with a loader gas. New rear rims, newer rear tires. Now take it again to find an extra right there. Boom, I take it right here. Here we get there. Now take it again to find an extra right there. And so I'm going to get $5,000. I knew it, that's all you have to do. All right here, 2020 with the loader now. Somebody get $5,000. I'm at $5,000, anybody get 500, anybody get 5, 2,025. I'm at 2,000, anybody get 25. I'm at 2,025, 3. I'm at 3,000, anybody get 3. 3 to bid, 35. I'm at 3,000, anybody get 35. 35 now 4. I'm at 45. I'm at 45, anybody get 4. 45. I'm at 4,000, anybody get 45. And do you want to do it? I'm at 45 on the bid. I'm at 4,000, anybody get 45. I'm at 4,000, anybody get 45. Anybody get 45. Anybody get 42 and a half. 42 and a half, 42 and a half, 42 and a half, 45. I'm at a 45 on the bid. 45, 45, 47 and a half. I'm at a 45, 47 and a half. And if you get 47 and a half, and every other bit of ball in. I'm at a 45, 47 and a half. I'm at a 45, and if you get 750. I'm at a 4,500 on the bid. 47, 7. I got him in the green coat. 45, 7 and a half. I'm at a 45, 750. I'm at a 45 and 7 and a half. And even to do it. I'm at a 45, 47 and a half. And even to do 47 and a half. And every other bit of ball in. Sold it your way. $4,500. 550 to buyer, 550. All right, now we're turning the page. Oh my, to give it there. Now take it again to buy the next one right there. We got a 1994 Mustang dual tandem with winch and dovetails. I'm going to get 17 and a half and now 2. I'm going to do $1,000 2 to bid. I'm going to do down to get 17 and a half now 2. Internet now 2. I'm a 2,000 to get 2. 22 and a half, 25. I'm a 25 to get 25. Internet, you got me 27 and a half. I'm at 27 and a half now 3. I'm a 32 and a half. I'm a 32 and a half. And even to get 35, 35 on the bid. I'm a 35 and even to do it. I'm a 35. I'm a 37 and a half. I'm a 35, 37 and a half. 4,000 even to get 40. Even to get 4,000. I'm a 42 and a half. I'm at 4,000. 42 and a half. How? Now you got to be 42 and a half. I'm at 4,000 even to get 45. I'm at 45, 45 on the bid. I'm at 42 and a half. 45, 47 and a half. I'm at 45, 47 and a half. And you better try it again. I'm at 47 and a half. I'm at 45, 47 and a half. $5,000. I'm at 5,000 even to get pounded. Even to get 52 and a half. I'm at 5,000 even to get 52, 2 and a half. I'm at 5,000 even to get 52, 2 and a half. I'm at 5,000 even to get 52 and a half. And even to do it. I'm at 5,000. It's here for a check. It's going to have a new address when we're all done. I'm at $5,000, 52 and a half. I'm at 5,000 even to get 52, 2 and a half. I'm at 5,000 even to get 52 and a half. I'm at 5,000 even to get 52, 2 and a half. I'm at 5,000 even to get 52, 2 and a half. And even to do it. All in and all done. Sold it your way. How? $5,000. 241. 241. All right, 2006 is a new clipper. It's a new country clipper, 60-inch complete deck, no belt, never used. All right, right here, somebody get 500. I'm at 500. I'm going to get 500. Yeah. I'm not even to get 500. Even to get 500. 500. I'm going to get 500. Even to get 500. I'm going to get 5. I'm at 500. I'm going to get 500. I'm at 500. I'm going to get $100. I'm at 100. I'm going to get 100. Even to get 100. I'm at 100. I'm going to get 50. 75. I'm at 50. I'm going to get 75. I'm going to get 50. Even to get 75. I'm at $50 now. 75. I'm at $50. 75. And even to do it. I'm at 100 and a quarter. I'm at 1 and a quarter. 1 and to get 1 and a quarter. I'm at 100 and a quarter. I'm at 125. Even to get 25. And even to get 1. Even to get 125. And even to do it. I'm at 100. I'm at 125. Jason, I'm at 125. We go to even to get 125. I'm at 100 and a quarter now. All in and all done. Sold it $100. 104,468 on the internet. All right, 2073 Kubota 6-foot 10-ohm bucket, model L1779. Oh, behind it, give it there now, take it again. That's good right here. I'm ready to get now, behind the next one out there, ready to get now, 500. How about the 500, how about the 500 bid? How about the 500, how about the $100? Now 2, how about the 100 and a quarter? How about the 1 quarter, I'm going to get 150. How about the 150, 150, did even get 150, 75, 175 and 2. How about the 2 and a quarter? How about the 200 and a quarter? Half 75, I'm a 275 and D, going to do it. I'm going to do 75. I'm a 252, 75. I'm a 250 now, 75. 275 and D, going to do it. I'm going to 50 down to get 75. I'm a $250, 75. I'm a 275 and D, going to do it. I'm a 75 and D, going to get 75. I'm going to get $250, 75 and D, going to do it. All in and all done. Want to do it? Hold it. $250 on the internet. 219764. 219764. All right, now we got a bin auger, 16.5 feet long. Oh my, take it there now. Take it again. If I'm an extra down here, take it there now. Take it again. If I'm right there. Somebody get 200. I'm a 2 to bid. I'm going to do 100. I'm going to get 2 to bid. I'm going to do 100. I'm going to get $100 and a half. I'm going to 100. I'm going to get 1 a quarter. I'm going to 120. I'm going to get 1. Even get 25. And where's Doug at? I'm going to 125 on an auger. 100. I'm going to get 1. 1 to bid 25. 50. I'm going to 150. 50 bid Jason. I'm going to 125. 150. Get Jason. I'm going to 125. Even get 150. I'm going to 125. Even get 50. I'm going to get 150. I'm going to 125. 50. So 2 did even get 125. Did even get now 50. 150 down to get 125. 50. 125. $150. I'm going to 125. 50. 120. Don't sell it. 150. 35, is that what you said? 150 Conover, 150, I got 135, 150 internet. I'm at a 150, 135, 150 internet, 145, 150, 155, 65, 165, 75, I'm at a 175, 175, I'm at a 165, 75, I'm at a 175, and even a do it, I'm at a 175, and even a 175, and now 85, 2, I'm at a 185 and 2 to bid, I'm at a 185, and even to get 200, other to get 2, where? I'm at a 185 and now 2 to bid, I'm at a 185. Even to get 2, even to get 200. I'm at a 185 2. I'm at a 185 and now 2 to bid. I'm at a 185 even to get 2 and a bit of to get 2. All in and all done. Sold it. $185. 8552. 8055.
Selling you what's the world?
All right. John Deere 48-inch pallet port. Has some non-factory welds. Right here. Think of the game to buy the next one out there. So I'm going to get 500. I'm going to buy 500. I'm going to get 500 bid. I'm going to buy 500. I'm going to get 500 bid. 2, 3. I'm a 200. I'm going to get 3. 3 to bid. I'm a 300. I'm going to get 400. I'm going to get 40. I'm going to get 4, 5. I'm a 5, 5, 6. 600. I'm going to get 500. Hunter, I need your help right here. In the hood is $500 in front of Greg. Right there. Yes. 500. 550. In the back. 550. I got him at 500. Got to be 550. Way in the back. 550. Over by the Gleaner Combine. 500. I'm going to get 550. I'm at 500 and a half. I'm going to buy 5 and a half. I'm going to buy even to get 5 and a half. I'm going to get 550. All in and all done. Right in front of me, $500 in front of Greg Burrows. 241. The buyers. 241. Now we got a hopper wagon.
I don't know. It's 150.
The hell washing machine.
That's good. You can just set right there for a
That's
minute.
it, wasn't it?
Here's the ticket. Right here, 1841. Did everything now? Bind it, everything now. Bind it there. $1,000, 1,100. I'm a pound, did everything 11 to bid. I'm a pound, did everything 1,100. I'm a pound, did everything 11, did everything 1,100. I'm $1,000 now, 11 to bid. I'm 1,100 on everything pound, did everything 1,100. I'm $1,000 now, 11 to bid. I'm a pound, did everything 11, did everything 1,100 on everything pound, did everything 1,100. I'm 11 to bid. I'm a pound, did everything 1,100 on everything 11. Now 11. I'm a pound, did everything 1,100. $1,000 now 11. I'm at 1,100 on everything 11 to bid. I'm a pound, did everything 1,100 on everything pound, did everything 1,100. Sold it. $1,000 on the internet. 439, 847.
One day I was doing
439, 847. Now we go around the corner, don't we? No. Got a motor. Lincoln motor. Right here.
3-phase.
It is 3-phase.
150 horse.
150 horse, 3-phase.
It come out of Wright-Patterson Air Force.
Come out of Wright-Patterson Air Force Base.
Hadn't been used 200 hours.
Doesn't have 200 hours on it. Somebody get $3,000. How much? 3 pound dirty, but they get 3 to bid. $500 out of it, they get $600. How much? $500 out of it, they get $600 out of it, they get $500 out of it, they get $600 out of it, they get $500 out of it, they get $600. Do you want to do it? How much? 5, 6, $600, $100. Now 2 to bid. 3, did you get 2, 3? How much? 200 out of it, they get 3 to bid. How much? 200 out of it, they get 300 out of it, they get 2. Do you want to get 300 out of it, they get 300? How much? 200 out of it, they get 3 to bid. How much? 2, 2.5. How much? 2? Do you want to get 2.5 out of it, they get 2? Do you want to get 2.5? Sold it. $200. Yeah. 283 the buyer. 283. All right, here we're on a 400-gallon full-type sprayer. All right, right here, $100 now 2. How about 100 out of it to get 2? 2 to bid. How about 100 out of it to get 200 out of it to get 1? Did you get 50? 75. How about $50 now? 75. How about 50 out of it to get 75? 100. How about 100 out of it to get 75? 1. How about 100 out of it to get 1 1/4? How about 100 and a quarter? How about 100 and a quarter? Do you want to get 1? Did you get 20 pounds? Did you get 25? How about to get 125? How about 100 now? 25. How about 100 out of it to get 20 pounds? Did you get 1? Do you want to get 25? How about to get 125? How about 100 out of it to get 25? 125. Did you get 125? You got him. 125.50. I already got 100 and a quarter. I got it on the internet. Got to be 150. 150. How about 125? 150. Does he want to get 135?
35.
135. 150. How about 35.50? How about 135? Did you get 50? And about to get 35.50. How about 135.50? How about 135? Did you get 50? 145. 150. 145. 150. 150. 60. 160. How about 150? 160. 60 to bid. How about 150 down to get 60 and about to get 50 down to get 60 and about to get 70. How about 170? How about 160? 170 down to get 70 and about to get 160, 70. How about $160, $70? How about 170 now? Do you want to do it? How about 160, 170 down to get 70 and about to get now 80. How about 180 down to get 80, 80 to bid. How about 170, 80 down to get bond? Did you want to get 80? Do you want to get 80 and about to get 80? Do you want to get bond? Did you want to get 80 and about to get 80? Does he want to do it? Sold it, $170, $447.44.